It's a 2015 Chevrolet Impala. Composed, confident, and capable in its design, this Impala always makes an entrance. The athletic and proud stance is impossible to ignore, and the spacious interior leaves room for everything. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.